Who is considered the speaker of the Bhagavad Gita? A. Krishna. How many chapters are there in the Bhagavad Gita? A. 18. What is the main theme of chapter 13 of the Bhagavad Gita? B. The difference between the body and the soul. According to chapter 13, what is the field of activities? A. The physical body. What is the supreme goal of life according to chapter 13? C. Realizing the self. What are the 5 great elements mentioned in chapter 13? A. Earth, water, fire, air, ether. Who is the knower of the field according to chapter 13? A. The soul. What is considered the ultimate shelter according to chapter 13? C. God. What is the essence of understanding according to chapter 13? A. The body is temporary. How many verses are there in chapter 13 of the Bhagavad Gita? C. 24. What is the significance of Bhagavad Gita, chapter 13? A. It explains the importance of selfless service. What is the main theme of Bhagavad Gita, chapter 13? A. Knowledge of the individual soul and the supreme soul. What does chapter 13 of Bhagavad Gita emphasize? C. The distinction between the body and the soul. Who is the speaker of Bhagavad Gita, chapter 13? A. Krishna. What does chapter 13 suggest about the pursuit of knowledge? A. It is essential for spiritual growth. How does chapter 13 define the body? B. As perishable and temporary. What is the purpose of Bhagavad Gita, chapter 13? C. To help individuals understand the difference between the body and the soul. What is the ultimate goal discussed in chapter 13 of Bhagavad Gita? B. Attaining liberation from the cycle of birth and death. What does Bhagavad Gita chapter 13 teach about the self? A. The self is the ultimate reality. How does chapter 13 of Bhagavad Gita contribute to self-realization? A. By emphasizing the importance of detachment.